In this video, I'm going to share with you a Bangkok condo that you can currently rent for about 10,000 baht per month, which is only about 320 US dollars per month. And the name of the condo complex is the Nest Sukhumvit 64 condominium complex. And it is very close to the BTS Pune with the SkyTrain. So let's go and check out the condo. Now we're out here at the condo, so let's come and check out this Bangkok condo tour. So as you can see, right when you walk in, you do have a shelf right here for yourself. And about maybe a 50-inch TV or so that you can use with the air conditioning unit right there, so you don't have to worry about you getting hot. So as we come over here, this is your kitchen. You got a microwave down there for you. Nice area for you to cook up your vegetables. And you do have a little bit of a view from your patio. As you can see, we can go check out the patio there. You got a little area here that you can have some coffee or eat at. And let's go check out the bedroom. So when we come in here, we could see you got a little mirror here for yourself, which is pretty cool. You can look at yourself while you're getting ready. And you do got a little bit of a view from your room. It's nothing too crazy or spectacular, but it's definitely better than no view. And this condo is on the 7th floor at this condo complex. Little desk right there for you. And if we look over here, you do got some storage that you can keep your belongings. You could also even have a little safe down there if you wanted. And then right here is where you would store your suits and your shirts and all that good stuff. And let's check out the bathroom. We can see the bathroom is very modern. Very nice. And I love those glass doors. I always really like those. So let's go check out the lounge area, the gym, and the pool. Okay, so here we are at the community lounge area. And one thing that makes this place unique is that there's a beautiful pool table right here. And you do got a little seating area over here with the TV and an air condition right there to keep you cool. Lots of seating for you to work on your work. Little kitchen here for you. And let's go check out the gym. Some more seating out here for yourself. It's gonna be a real nice place to have a coffee. And you do got a bathroom right over here for you, which is pretty cool. So you don't even have to leave this area if you have to go to the bathroom, which is good. Because some condos, you actually have to go back to your room in order to use the bathroom. So this is nice that they have a bathroom here for you. It is key card access. Now let's check out the gym. So you got your elliptical bikes over here. Got some more weight equipment. Leg press. Treadmills, more weights, bench press machine, and a little Muay Thai and yoga studio here. Then you got your free weights right over there. Very nice. Let's go check out the pool now. Now we're here at the pool at the Nest Sukhumvit 64 condominium complex, and there's a pretty cool walkway right here, and you could hear the sounds of the water. So I like that a lot. They have these jets, and they also have the water funnel into these little streams over here. I like that a lot. The water is crystal clear with a shower over there for you after you get done swimming. And one thing I think is very unique about this place is those beds over there that you can relax at. I haven't seen that really at any condo complex. So that's definitely a key point about this swimming pool, is that there are beds over there for you to relax. And if we come down here, down the steps, we can see that there's more lounging area for you. And just check out these beautiful pink flowers. And I love the sound of those jets. Very relaxing, very peaceful. I could see how this could be a great place to spend your weekend. You could get that resort feel without even leaving your condo. Hey, so I'm out here with Pat, and we have a special announcement to share with you. So I am going to be starting to work with Keller Williams, Capital One Thailand, starting next week. So if you are planning to move out to Thailand, or you want to come out here for about 6 months a year, 6 months to a year, definitely look into contacting me, and we're gonna have a large inventory to choose from. So Pat, thank you so much for taking me on at your company, and I'm excited to see what happens.
Welcome. Thank you.
Sounds good. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Just another sunny day.